Today, we are affirming the truth that we all know very well. Tama po? Education is never the work of a single institution. It is a community effort, strengthened by every parent, by every teachers, partners, and supporters who chooses to invest in the future of our learners. Each initiative, each resources that is shared, the partnerships that is formed becomes a stepping stone towards more inclusive, a more responsive, and more empowered schools. Sa Department of Education, particularly sa Navotas Division, we extend our deepest admiration. Your dedication to fostering strong partnerships demonstrates a visionary leadership and unwavering passion for improving the learning experience of every Navoteño children. Through your programs, innovations, and consistent engagement with us, your stakeholders, it reminds us that progress is possible when we walk together. To us, your partners, let us continue to trust and support each other. Isipin po natin that every contribution matters. Whether it's big or whether it is small, it has surely created a meaningful change na ma-observe natin in every classrooms, in every inspired learners, and of course, in uplifting the whole community. I believe po that our partnerships are vital pillars of our education system. Do you believe so? Yes, we did. We are vital pillars of our education ecosystem. And as we continue strengthening this partnership, may we all remain united by one purpose. That is to ensure that every learners in Navotas have access to quality, holistic, and transformative education. Rest assured po, we from Food for the Hungry, and of course other stakeholders here, we will continue to support the Department of Education, SDO Navotas, and for all the initiative that champions our learners' growth and well-being. Together, we believe, let us keep building bridges, creating opportunities, and lighting pathways for the youth, for the children who will lead our nation forward. Maraming salamat.